Coca-Cola has always been one of the most famous and consumed drinks in the world. On the market, you can find many different versions, each with a different taste. From lemon Coke to cherry, vanilla, and coffee. In this video, we will go to see what is inside a can of classic taste Coke. In the last video instead, which you can find by clicking here above, we have seen what are the effects on the human body immediately after you have drunk a can of Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola recipe remains one of the best-kept trade secrets in the world. We know what the ingredients are because they must be indicated by law on the package, but their proportions are not known. Water. About 90% of Coca-Cola is water. The carbonated part is purified carbon dioxide, which is added in the bottling phase when the syrup has already been mixed with water. Carbon dioxide is used to give Coca-Cola its characteristic sparkling note with its typical bubbles. Sugar. In the United States, high fructose corn syrup is used, while in other countries, sucrose, also known as table sugar, is used. It is extracted from sugar beet plants, mainly in Europe, and from sugar cane in the rest of the world. Corn syrup, on the other hand, is mainly obtained from corn starch with a fructose content of 42% or 45%. A 330 milliliter can contains 35 grams of sugar, that is 7 teaspoons. Caffeine. Caffeine is a chemical compound naturally present in some parts of plants, such as coffee and cocoa beans, and in tea leaves. Caffeine acts as a central nervous system stimulant, helping you stay awake and fight fatigue. A 330 milliliter can of cola contains 40 milligrams of caffeine. Caramel. The sulfite ammonia dye is a food additive that is part of the family of dyes and is indicated with the initials E150D. It is that compound made with water and sugar, with a characteristic brownish color and a sweet taste. It is obtained by making sugars react at high temperatures together with other compost, sulfites, and ammonia. Phosphoric acid. It is a colorless and odorless inorganic acid. It is used as an acidifier, therefore to regulate the acidity of the product and improve its flavor. It has a pH of about 2.4, a value between the pH of gastric juice, pH 1.5, and that of vinegar, pH 3. Natural flavors. This is where the secret ingredient of Coca-Cola seems to be hiding. It would be an aroma composed of dozens of plant extracts mixed together. It appears to be a blend of essential oils such as orange, cinnamon, lemon, nutmeg, and coriander. Does it contain cocaine? Coca-Cola was named after its two main ingredients, the coca leaf, which contained cocaine, and the cola nut, which contained caffeine. Cola is a genus of evergreen and tall spindle plants native to the tropical forests of West Africa. The fruit is the cola nut and has a particularly bitter taste due to the caffeine and theobromine content. As soon as Coca-Cola was born, it had a small amount of cocaine. Some say 4 milligrams, who says 9 milligrams. In 1903, with the approval of drug laws, it began to be gradually removed from the drink until 1929, when Coca-Cola became completely cocaine-free. Coming to the present day, some sources claim that one of the secret aromas is obtained from the extracts of the coca plant, however deprived of psychotropic substances. The plants are grown legally in factories in Peru and then exported to New Jersey, to the Stepan Company, a chemical company, which will obtain the decocainized aromatic extract. All this takes place under the careful supervision of the Federal Drug Agency, headed by the United States Department of Justice. The cocaine-free leaves are sold to the Coca-Cola Company for use in soft drinks. while the cocaine is sold to Mallinckrodt, a pharmaceutical company, which will use it for medicinal purposes, such as for the formulation of local anesthetics. The company has never confirmed or denied this, thus keeping the secret of the much-desired formula